Hello and welcome. Now in this process, what we're going to do is we're going to add individuals to a Zoom webinar when they make a specific purchase of an affiliate product. Now it's a fairly well established process for you to be able to add individuals to your after-sale autoresponder when you're using third-party cloud connector Zapier. Zapier can be used to connect an after-sale autoresponder to any Warrior Plus purchase. You can also connect an after-sale autoresponder or process to a Thrivecart purchase. And you can do the same for ClickBank. And Gumroad is also the same. However, this process does not account for an automated way to add an individual to a Zoom webinar when they make an affiliate purchase, since they are already an existing customer. However, there is a way to do this when you are promoting a product within the JVZoo network. And for example, if we were to look at a specific product and we were to request to promote a specific product, what you would find inside of the product promotion area is that you're going to have an area here for what are going to be integrations. You would click on that area. And basically what you would be able to do here is whenever this product is sold, you would be able to add an individual to your after-sale autoresponder, provided that you are using GetResponse. So what you would have to do is you would first start by using the API key inside of your GetResponse account. Now, if your GetResponse account is not integrated with JVZoo, you'll need to undertake that process. That will give you a specific API key to be used in your JVZoo account with your GetResponse account. You'll need to copy that API key. Now, obviously, for the sake of this video, the API key here is blurred out. However, what we're going to do here is copy the API key in our specially integrated GetResponse account with JVZoo. What we are then going to do is we're going to add that API key here inside of the product that we are going to be promoting. What we're then going to do is we're going to save the account. What we're then going to do is choose a specific list within our GetResponse account that we want the individual to be added to when they make this specific affiliate purchase. Now, if you don't have a Zapier account, you will need to sign up for one. And so what you'll do here is to come to Zapier.com and then sign up. Now, there is a 14-day free trial. However, after 14 days, this is a paid application. And for complex Zapier setups, you are going to need to have a premium account. Now, what we're first going to need to do is we're going to need to connect GetResponse. And we're going to write in this box is we're going to connect GetResponse to Zoom. And so basically what we're going to do here is we're going to set the trigger at a new contact, which is someone added to your email marketing list. We're going to say that when someone's added to a specific list, we want them added to a specific Zoom webinar. And so what we're going to do here is we're now going to click Use Zap. Now, if you don't have a GetResponse account connected to your Zapier account, you are going to need to do that first. And so what you're going to do here is you're going to click Add a New Account. That's going to open up this Zapier dialog box. And what you're going to need to do is to go inside of your GetResponse account to get your GetResponse API key. So we're going to come into the integrations. We're then going to go into our API in this area. Or as of the recording of this video, one of the things you'll see is that GetResponse has a direct integration. And so what we can do here inside of GetResponse itself is we can actually click Connect Zapier. And what we can then do is click the Authorize button. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to click this Authorize button since we already have this GetResponse account connected to Zapier. However, you can take this easier process to set up your Zapier account with GetResponse. Or you can click Generate API Key. Once that GetResponse account is connected to your Zapier account, you can choose it here in this area. What you can then do is you can click the Continue button so that you can choose a specific GetResponse list. Now in this case, we're going to choose the same GetResponse list that we chose in order to set up our JVZoo affiliate product sale. So we now have our product set up. We're going to click Continue. You can test a specific list, but if you don't want to test anyone that's actually going to be on that list, you can click Skip Test. Zapier will then get sample data. What you'll then do is click Continue. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to connect your Zoom account to Zapier. And basically what we're going to do here is we're going to state that what we want to happen is to create a specific registrant in Zoom when that action happens in GetResponse. We're now going to click Continue. What we're now going to need to do is to choose a Zoom account or to set one up. In order to set up and connect our Zoom account to Zapier, we're going to need to sign into our account inside of the Zapier API. Once we select that Zoom account, we'll then click Continue. Now you should already have a webinar set up inside of Zoom. If you don't have one, you're going to need to set one up in order to complete this process. What we're now going to do is we're going to choose the webinar that we want to add people to when they purchase the affiliate product. We're going to click and add that webinar. And when we click on email, what we're doing is we are mapping information. Now, you'll notice then that what we did was we have sample data. So what we're going to do here is we're going to choose the email because we want that to be matched to the email field. We're going to choose the first name. And basically what we're going to do here is we're going to determine how to map this information. And then we're going to choose a confirmation email. We're pretty much going to do the same thing. And what we're saying here is we want or we don't want a confirmation email to be sent. In this case, we're going to state that we don't want a confirmation email to be sent. We're then going to click Continue. What we're now going to do is test and review our system. So we're going to click Test and Review. And once we've done that, our Zap is ready. What we have basically now done is we have now connected GetResponse to Zoom. And so every time that there is an affiliate purchase inside of JVZoo for a specific product, we are now going to have that individual added to a specific Zoom webinar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.